I ski for so many years now in the World Cup, and I made some really good medals, but not the gold medal, and everyone expected that I would do it today, and I hoped that I could. And I did it today, and it's also a little bit crazy with my emotions because Benny hurt on Wednesday, and I'm still really sad about that. And today is my biggest my biggest dream came true, and that's a little bit crazy for me at the moment. I wanted to have gold, so I thought just go for it. And if it works, it works, and if you don't finish or something, that's life. Yeah, I believe in destiny. I believe that everything that happens to me has to happen, and maybe it's right that it took me such a long way for the gold medal. Maybe now I'm really ready for it.
I think Marlies had a hard time as well. She was fighting so long for this gold medal, and I'm happy for her that she made it today. So the silver medal is quite good for me, and I'm happy. So I think we are strong. Austrian team is quite strong today, and we hope to make this the next years like that.
I think this is my best season so far, and coming to Aspen and taking my first win was really big for me. And coming here to the World Champs, and people are asking questions that I'm one of the favorites. It's a new situation, so that's really made me proud that I could handle this in a good way. Before second round, I was only thinking about to give 100%. And I think my position, a fourth place before the second run, was pretty good, and I had nothing to lose. And I had some small mistakes second run, but I was really fighting, so I'm super happy to be here with my medal.